Credit cards come with sign-up bonuses, right? At least some of them do. And so if you get a card like the Chase Freedom, after spending $500 within the first 90 days of having the credit card open, you'll receive a bonus of $300. And that's good, but what if I told you that you could actually spend no money and still get that bonus from this or any credit card? In this video, I'll be talking about credit card manufactured spending and how you can use it to your advantage to get all the credit card bonuses you want or need to get extra cash without having to spend any more money than you normally would be spending. This money can be used to pay bills, buy groceries, food, and just about anything, so stick around to the very end of this video to find out how you can pull this off successfully. Now, just a very quick reminder here, if you're new and you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Ian, and here on this channel, I talk about ways to make money, save money, investing, banking, credit cards, and all things personal finance related. So if these are topics that will interest you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on the notifications when you do so you can get updated of when I post new videos. And I post a new video here every single day on YouTube. And guys, remember I'm posting videos every day here now, so if there are any topics or anything that you'd like me to make a video about, just drop me a comment down below with it, because I may be running out of topics to talk about. So anything that you'll be interested in that has to do with personal finance, drop me a comment down below and I'll make a video about it for you. So if you've been watching my videos for a while now, you know I like to find ways to make money and ways to get the maximum possible cash or points from credit cards without spending a single cent. So manufactured spend is one of these ways, and I'm now going to explain it. So manufactured spending is when you use a credit card to purchase something that you can exchange for cash right after and get the same amount of cash back without having to pay any fees. So as an example, let's say you just signed up for a credit card, right? And you need to spend $500 in 90 days so as to get a cash bonus of $300. If you buy groceries that you normally would and then they add up to about $500 or over $500 over 90 days, then that's good. So you get to meet the spend amount to get the cash bonus without spending any money that you wouldn't normally spend, but that isn't manufactured spending. Let's say you didn't need to spend $500. Instead, you could purchase something like a gift card where you could then redeem that for cash or trade it for cash back without any fees and getting back the exact same amount of money that you spent to get it. So this is similar to doing a cash advance and then putting the money immediately back. But the problem with the cash advance method is that it usually won't count towards the required spend amount. And also cash advances come with fees, so you'll end up losing some money if you do it this way. But I don't want you guys to lose any money, not even a single cent. So before I talk any more about how to pull this off, let's first look at some of the advantages here, as this can get you thousands of dollars in cash. So there are credit cards that come with no annual fees, gives cash back and offers sign-up bonuses, and usually you can find credit cards that will give you even up to $700 or even up to $900 cash if you spend around $3,000 in 90 days, and others where you can get travel points which you can use to travel for free or turn those travel points into cash. So you could sign up for a credit card, or if you're already thinking about a credit card that you want which offers a cash bonus but you don't think you'll be able to meet the spend requirements, then this fixes that problem. So the next time you sign up for a credit card or a rewards credit card, I'll help you get the bonus offer even if you don't plan on spending any money to be able to get it, and it won't cost you anything extra. Now guys, if you've ever heard about this before, drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think and what you've heard. And if you've ever tried doing it before, also let me know. Also guys, if you're watching this video and you're wondering if this is something that you should try or you shouldn't try to do because you don't think it's legal and it will get you into trouble, no worries. In all my videos, I always give a disclaimer whenever I talk about something that requires you to check the legality of it, but manufactured spending isn't one of those things, and this is something that I've done personally to get cash bonuses and even travel points on a credit card that I wouldn't have gotten. So I've done it and I know it works, and this is nothing from Google search, but from my own experience. So there are several ways to go about this, and most of them are either complicated or they just don't work. So the way to go about this is to simply use the credit card and purchase a Visa or MasterCard gift card. So don't purchase a gift card that is for a store like AutoZone or a gift card like that because it won't work out. Make sure the card you purchase is a Visa or MasterCard. So you purchase this card and then you have to load it immediately. And guys, you can purchase these gift cards at any retailers, and there are some that charge you fees for the actual card, so avoid those ones. Get the ones that charge you nothing, and that way you don't have to spend anything. So you get the card, you load the card with the amount required for you to get the bonus from your credit card. And then once you do that, then you take the gift card and you use it at an ATM that charges no fees, and you get all your cash back, or you use the card to send money to your bank account, and then you pay the credit card bill. So essentially, this is 3 simple and easy steps. Step 1, sign up for the credit card you want. Step 2, use that credit card to purchase the gift card. And step 3, use the gift card to get cash or transfer it to your bank and then pay your credit card bill in full. Now, I know it sounds very easy, and it really is, but there are a few problems that you may experience if you do this. And the first one is loading the gift card with your credit card. So this is nothing illegal, but it isn't a secret either. And some retailers have a policy of not loading a gift card or gift cards with credit cards, which makes no sense because they can always ask for ID to verify that the credit card you're using is actually yours and not stolen. Now, I've run into this problem a couple times where they wanted me to use cash and load the gift card. Now, whenever this happens, I just go to someone else or somewhere else, which could even be the same retailer, but just a different location. So if this happens to you and you try to do this, just go somewhere else and do it. Now, the second problem here is that credit card companies know about manufactured spending, and so while they can't really stop it, they can try to limit it. So before, a lot of travelers were using credit cards and manufactured spending to travel the world for free because you had all those credit cards that come with 0 fees, and you could open one and do manufactured spending and get the cash or points and repeat the process several times, gaining thousands of dollars in cash. So banks limited the amount of credit cards that you can get. So for instance, Chase now has a rule that says if you've opened over 4 or 5 credit card accounts in the past 2 years, they won't allow you to get a credit card with them. So similarly, you most likely won't be able to just start applying for a bunch of credit cards and doing this like you would with bank account churning or churning bank accounts. This is still good though, because sometimes you may have your eyes on a really good rewards credit card that you want for the rewards, but even so, you don't think you'll be able to get the sign-up bonus. Well, now you can. Now, one more thing I want to point out here is that if you simply open a credit card account just for this reason and then not to use it again, there is a chance the bank will close your credit card account and then your credit score will go down. So you get the credit card and you must use it normally. So as I said before, it's best to do this with a credit card that you actually wanted and not just open a credit card account just for getting the sign-up bonus and doing manufactured spend to achieve it. Now, a lot of other people will tell you to do this, but if you do it, you're running the risk of damaging your credit. So you'll do this, but you'll also use the credit card for other purchases as you normally would. And also, guys, be sure to get a credit card with a limit that is much higher than the sign-up bonus. And that way you don't use up all your credit and run your utilization rate up and then have your score go down. I hope you guys like the information in this video. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see new videos that I post. And I post videos here every single day on YouTube. If you've made it to the end of this video, comment your thoughts down below and any questions you may have, and be sure to also drop a like on this video as it really helps to get this video to more viewers, and I'll really appreciate it. And also, giving this video a thumbs up is free. Remember guys, I'm also searching for more ideas for videos, so if there are any topics you'd like me to talk about, comment them down below. Also guys, I've left a couple links down below to free stuff and free cashback offers, so be sure to check the links down below in the description for all kinds of free stuff. If you're a new subscriber or viewer here on the channel, be sure to check out my other videos on high-yield savings accounts, checking accounts, investments, and of course, more on credit cards and ways to make more money. Once again guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. All the best, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.